Welcome to Animated Maths for All, Series 2. Get ready to learn, grow, and excel in mathematics. Our journey begins at the Great Sugar Factory, where we see students entering the sugar refining station for a math adventure. We are looking at a clear box getting filled with sugar cubes. Some familiar faces are here to help us with a fun task involving the sugar cubes. We have a cuboid container getting filled with 1 centimeter sugar cubes. The dimensions are 5 centimeters in length, 3 centimeters in height, and 2 centimeters in width. The base of the container has 5 rows of 2 cubes, which is 5 times 2 cubes. 5 times 2 equals 10 cubes on the base layer. Since the height is 3 centimeters, there are 3 layers of 10 cubes, giving us 30 cubes in total. The volume is the product of the length, width, and height. In this case, 5 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 30 cubic centimeters. Now we understand why the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid is length times breadth times height. Remember, do not blindly memorize the formulas. Always try to derive them to truly understand the concept. Thanks for watching Animated Maths for All. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new.